the Direct Louie na award-winning. Parang maka-eksena si Miss Pilar Pilapil sa movie. Starting with...
Excuse me, we want to introduce Ray Vallejo. Look at us. Robin.
Hello po. Hi everyone. So sorry I'm late, but I'm happy to be here. Nice to meet everyone.
So, dahil ikaw ang nahuli ko ang unang sa...
Ano po yung
Saan ka mas na-challenge na gawin yung film? Working with award-winning director like Direct Louie or scene with Miss Pilar Pilapil and Jenny?
Well, actually it's a very big challenge for me kasi this is my first film again after I think almost a decade of not doing acting. So I'm very, very excited to work with them again and, you know, be with my craft. Yun lang. I think this is a good challenge for everyone. Diba? Yun lang po.
Okay, pwede po bang both? Super challenging talaga. Of course, with Louie kasi syempre, hindi ko alam kung paano yung way niya ng directing, kung terror ba siya, strict ba siya, masakit ba siya, I don't know. I'm really excited. And of course, with, lahat daw. With Tita Pilar, of course, grabe, like a veteran actress nga, di ba? As everybody say. Super challenging po talaga kasi like yung sinabi niyo po kanina, kailangan maramdaman ko yung presence niyo. Ibig sabihin doon, yung pressure is nasa amin. Kasi obviously, hindi na Pilar, effortless na eh, wala na. Siya na yun talaga. Siya na yung role niya na yun, alam niya na yun. Pero kami, as first time, we're syempre adjusting, learning pa. So this time, yeah, tingnan natin. I'm sure, I'm really, really sure na marami po kami matututunan sa inyo and I'm so excited about that book. Thank you.
For me naman po, same po kita, both po. As a first-timer po, this is something big, lalo na po mga-cover ko po si Tita Pilar Pilapil and also Direct Louie. I hope po mag-guide niyo po kami as a first-timer na maka-act pa and right po. Thank you.
For me po actually, I'm very excited and I'm very nervous. I know that when I'll be working with veterans who are well-known names in the industry, I know that I'll be learning things when it comes to work. So I'm very excited for that and I'm really looking forward for it. But at the same time, I feel very challenged because I feel like I have to up my skills since it is my first time. I have to be on the same level as Miss Jelly de Belen, Miss Pilar Pilapil, and yeah, I'm just really excited. I'm really looking forward for this project, and I hope that you guys are as well. Thank you po.
So yun na po, sobrang nakakaba and na-excite. Siyempre, mga batikan na artista na rin po yung nakakasama ko ngayon. And bilang isang nag-acting din po, first time ko rin po sila makasama and lalo po yung si Direk. First time ko rin po siya maging director. Then nakakaba po kasi yun nga po, first time and di ko po alam kung paano siya gawin mag-direct. Then nag-hope po ako na alam ko naman po na mag-guide po kami direct sa tamang pag-acting po. Ulit yun na po. Thank you. And namatay. Hello. Ayan nga po, and nag-workshop din po ako.
Shira.
For me po, I would say both. Pero this is some challenge that will hone us to be better. And it's such a privilege to work.
It's such a privilege to work with them since I worked with a lot of veteran actors din po, pero this is something that I'm really looking forward to and I'm really excited since it's a challenging role for me and of course very challenging din po yung mga kawork ko and which is that's why it makes it more exciting.
Sige. Kai naman, Kai.
Hi again, good afternoon. Sobrang excited po ako kasi dream role ko po talaga is ito po, dream role ko po. At masaya po ako kasi sa Sugat sa Dugo, mama ko po si Miss Janice de Belen, ngayon tita ko po si Miss Jaylee de Belen. Sobrang bata pa lang po ako napapanood ko ng sis. Yes. Papasok po ako ng school, pinapanood po siya sa bahay. So,
nagka-cut-cut.
pero hindi po tumatanda si Miss Jaylee, kanya pa rin po siya.
May bawi.
Marunong naman palang bumawi.
May bawi, may bawi.
Sobrang sexy pa rin.
Wow!
Oo, tama na.
At si Miss Pilar Pilapil po, yun po,
Namumala yung
yes,
bawi.
si Miss Pilar Pilapil po, sobrang excited po ako kasi kamukha po siya ng mga kapatid ng lola po.
Wow!
Yes.
Talaga?
Yes po.
Maganda pala kayo?
At syempre po si Ring Barreto po. Yes. Childhood friend. Sobrang excited po, pero challenging kasi lalo na po kami ni Shira. Sa workshop po, kakaiba po yun. Maipapakita po namin ni Shira. Yes, thank you.
Oh!
For me po, of course, kinakabahan din po ako because I know that mape-pressure ako kapag dating ko na dun sa set. But I'm also very excited to be able to work with all these people and to be part of a movie like this since, you know, my past roles po, hindi naman siya, I mean, this is my first time to do a movie in this genre, which is like thriller type, which is also one of my favorite genres, so I'm very excited. And I'm just excited to see how our dynamic will be on set and to work with Direct Louis since it's my first time.
Thank you po. Next question. Roldan, may tanong ka? Gorgie, si Gorgie. Rose Garcia.
Oo nga, si Auntie
Si Rose Moses. RCB.
Good afternoon. Kay Bambi, pansin ko yung mga tema ng pelikulang ginagawa mo. May dugo. Hindi. Yung medyo out of the box. Hindi yung talagang rom-com, hindi yung drama, oo. Saan ang gagaling yan, Bambi?